Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to use ChatGPT to explain complex topics. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. Enter ChatGPT, your beacon of simplicity. This incredible tool has the potential to take these intricate topics and translate them into everyday language. It's like having your personal explainer for the cosmos. We decided to put ChatGPT to the test by asking it to explain dark matter like I'm fine. The outcome? A brilliant demonstration of how ChatGPT can demystify complex ideas and present them in an easily digestible manner. With ChatGPT at your side, you are not just accessing knowledge, you are unlocking understanding. So, whether you are tackling the enigmas of the universe or deciphering the mysteries of a peculiar pastime, ChatGPT is your go-to guide for translating complexity into simplicity. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.